friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Question 130. Here we want to solve this problem. 8 to the power 2022 plus 8 to the power 2023 over 8 to the power x is equal to 9. Then we want to find the value of x. First we multiply both sides by 8 to the power x. 8 to the power 2022 plus 8 to the power 2023 over 8 to the power x is equal to 9. Multiply both sides by 8 to the power x. Then we get 8 to the power 2022 plus 8 to the power 2023 is equal to 9 multiplied by 8 to the power x. 8 to the power 2022 plus 8 to the power 1 into 8 to the power 2023. It is equal to 9 multiplied by 8 to the power x. Here we take factor here 22. We take factor 8 to the power 2022, 8 to the power 2022. Here we get 1 and also here we get 8. It is equal to 9 into 8 to the power x. Here 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 8 to the power 2022 is equal to 9 multiplied by 8 to the power x. We cancel both sides. We cancel in from both sides. We get 8 to the power 2022 is equal to 8 to the power x. Here base are equal. 8 here also 8. Then we conclude that x is equal to 2022. It is the value of x. It was the solution of this question. Dear students, subscribe and subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thank you.